Hello, welcome to our podcast. Today is Saturday, October 23, now 21, quarter past 21, quarter past 9. Yeah, it's habit of 24 hours. So what we have here is the Bitcoin analysis, the price as traded in Binance and in Tether because it's the most liquid market of Bitcoin in the world. So we use this as a drive for the price, and no big deal, this is already known. So what I'd like to show you is that right now we have a strong resistance above the current level of price, which is right now at 62K.6, that being 62,600. And according is the moving average of 200 periods. We use the weighted moving average because it's faster than its counterparts, exponential and arithmetic, or standard as you want to call it, moving average. So 200 periods because it gives a long-term perspective over the current time frame. So what we see here is that it will need volume to cross, because basically the weighted moving average 200 periods works as more often than not, okay, as we say here in Portuguese, divisor de águas. It's a division between uptrend and downtrend. So trading above it, it's an uptrend. Trading below it, it's a downtrend. So, and as we can see, we tested it and we hammered it down, and the test was with volume. Lot of volume that brought us here. It supported the price, and the continuous hammering, even with lower intensity, eventually gave in. So we were able to breach it with a similar volume that we tested first. So we exhausted its ability to support it. It's easy to say the benefit of the hindsight. But yeah, we crossed it down and now we're trading below. So also here we have a very big column of volume that we interpret as the mark of a bottom in the price. Let's check where it is. Let's give it a zoom in the chart. So it was hitting this level of 60,000 precisely. So we have here a strong support in 60,000, which it was tested twice, and it replied with strong volume. Let's go check it in more detail. Exactly here on nearly 60,100, and here a bit below 59.7, 59.6. Who cares? So that's 60,000. Okay, we're not in the business of high precision, right? So what we have here is that this is our bottom in our interpretation of this chart, now reading. So we are now stuck between 60,000 and here the moving average right now 62.6. So that's what we're seeing for the prices, and to break it we will need volumes at this height as a reference. Now something must be noted. I think we mentioned this before. Once you have adjacent colors, adjacent columns of volume, same color, you can add them up, you can pile them up, but with a discount factor, because we see volume as energy. And as you pile them up in longer periods, part of it has a natural decay. That's the reason for the discount factor. Okay, you can say this is mumbo jumbo, who cares? But it works as we have observed. What means that these two columns here, these big ones, they are not as equal as one with the sum of their sides. They are like a, give or take 20-30% of discount over this total. So that's how we measure things, and more often than not it works, and what moves us is the result, not the theories. Okay, so we see now prices, as long as we have volumes that are no greater than these columns here, we're not gonna have a breach up or down. And since we're entering now Sunday, according to where you are, in the West, Sunday is still tomorrow. you and the markets overall are closed, we're not going to have much drivers, external drivers, pushing the price in one or another direction. So it's kind of moving free. And since we are having in the last days, let's move to the daily chart, very low volume, okay? As you can see here, why I say low, because it's below the moving average arithmetic of the last 200 periods. We're not likely to see prices making huge moves. However, because Bitcoin is currently in an uptrend, clearly be seen here and in Ishimoku. Let's put Ishimoku here. Here is Ishimoku. Clearly uptrend. We are likely to test the top of this trading range. So I'll look forward to see prices between 62.5, 63K all over tomorrow. And that might be equally bullish for the remainings of the cryptos. Of course, not everyone, not all of them, likely, but many of them. And until like this time tomorrow, when Asia markets open up, we are likely to be left literally alone and hopefully in peace. The same for you till then. Bye bye.